Logitech wireless keyboard typing wrong characters. How do I fix my Logitech keyboard for typing wrong letters? Why is my keyboard typing the wrong symbols? Why is my wireless keyboard not typing properly? Have you ever been in a situation where you have been typing for quite some time, but as soon as you look up at the screen, you read something that does not even make sense? 1. Check language settings. Point 2. Check autocorrect settings. Point 3. Check numlock is off. The numlock key can impact the behavior of certain keys on your keyboard, leading to unexpected character inputs. Ensure that numlock is turned off, especially if your keyboard has a numeric keypad. Point 4. Update keyboard drivers. Point 5. Replace batteries. When replacing batteries, it's advisable to use high-quality, brand-name batteries to maximize performance.